Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now in this video we are going to print the nodes at k at distance. We are going to pass a particular value of k, which is the distance from the root node, and we'll try to print those particular values which are at that particular distance. Okay, so I have created that method. Now the plan is to return the list of integer. Okay, let's return that only from here itself, list of integer. Now this will be the distance that we are passing, and now let's take an array list for the result. We have taken the array list for the result. Now the same array list we are going to return, which will have the nodes which are at this particular distance. Now let's implement that method, which we are going to again implement with the help of recursion. Now what are the arguments for this recursive method? First thing will be the root node, obviously, because using this only we can iterate. And second thing, we need this distance variable, and third thing, the result. I think that's it. Let's create this method now. It is going to do, yeah, naming and all is correct. Now the condition is if root is equal to null, just go ahead and return here itself. If distance is equal to 0, then what you do, then we are going to add that particular value to the result, root dot val, and then we are going to return it. That's it. Now the same thing we have to repeat for the left child and right child. Okay, so let's do that as well. Nodes at k distance, root dot left child, comma distance -1. With every single iteration we are supposed to decrease the distance so that when it goes to that particular level it can add that particular value, and we need to add that result variable. Same thing we have to do for right child as well, and that's it. We are done with the logic for calculating the nodes at k distance. Let's try running this method and see. Currently we are passing 2. Okay, let's pass 0 for now. So I want to see if it's printing the root node correctly. As per this tree, the root node is 7. It is supposed to print only 7, and it is printing 7. Perfect. Now for the first distance, there it's supposed to have two values, which is 4 and 9. So yes, it has 4 and 9, which are coming from here. Now 1, 6, 8 and 10. Now these four values it is supposed to print if we are getting the values or nodes at distance 2. Now this will print our leaf nodes 1, 6, 8 and 10. Yes, our implementation is correct and we are getting the correct values. So what we have done here, we have taken a result variable, we have created a recursive method which is taking this distance. Okay, and what do we have in our base condition? If root is equal to null, return the control there itself, and once distance is equal to 0, no matter what value we are passing here, okay, with every single iteration, with every single recursive call, it is going to decrease the value of distance for same left child as well as right child, and when the distance value is 0, it is going to add it, the value of that particular node, and it is going to return it. In the end, we'll have the value at that particular distance in this result variable, and that same thing we are returning here. So I hope you are able to understand this implementation. That's all I wanted to explain as part of this video. See you in the next one. May the source be with you.